Hello everyone, in this chapter I'm going to show you how to manual panelization, especially using stamp cores. First, let's open a PCB file. If this is your first time and you're not sure how to set the size and spacing of stamp cores, you can start by using the built-in panelization tool. Go to Tools, Panelization, Stamp Cores, or choose V-cut and stamp core, depending on your needs. For example, if I want to create a 2x2 panel, the tool will automatically generate a symbol. From this, you can clearly see things like how to place the process edge, what the process edge spacing should be, the size of fiducial hole and optical alignment points, diameter and spacing of the stamp cores. All of these are automatically drawn on the board outline layer, including the outline lines, slots, and the connections. If you are not sure about the exact value, you can turn off the snap function and use the measurement tool. This way, we know the reference values we need when doing manual panelization later. Now let's move on to the manual panelization process. First, delete the sample panel created by the tool. Then select the circuit, or press Ctrl-A to select all, and press Ctrl-C to copy. Next, pick a reference point, turn the snap back on, and press Ctrl-Shift-V to pass. The benefit of this pass method is that the reference design tool remains unchanged. And since we don't need the red lines when doing manual panelization, you can turn those off as well. Once the board is passed, you can adjust the panel spacing as needed. Make sure to leave enough room for the process edge. The exact value depends on your manufacturer's requirements. Here I'm just demonstrating, but in a real design, you should always follow the fab specs. Next, let's draw the stamp core connections. Switch to the layer and draw the connection line with the polyline tool. Place circular slots according to the dimensions we measured earlier. Usually, just one row of stamp core is enough. No need to add too many. A common setup is 8 holes per group. Here, I'm only showing rough values. In practice, always follow your PCB manufacturer's guidelines. After finishing the first section, you can copy and paste it to the second section. For example, if the hole at the left is at 20 mm, the hole on the right must also be exactly at 20 mm. I didn't align perfectly here since this is just a demo, but in real design, you need precise symmetry. Once the panelization is done, we still need to draw the process edge. Depending on the fab requirements, you may need process edges on all 4 sides or only on specific sides. Then we add fiducial holes and points. Fiducial holes can be drawn as slots. Fiducial points can be single layer paths. one on the top layer and one on the bottom. The diameter should be big enough for recognition. Also, pay attention to spacing. If your manufacturing requires conveyor compatibility, make sure to round the process edge corners. The top and bottom fiducial should not be aligned exactly. They need to be offset. Finally, do a quick check. Are the top, bottom, and left-right spacing consistent? Are the stamp hole diameters and spacing within the fab requirements? Are the process edges wide enough? Are the slot size and spacing correct? If everything looks good, then the manual panelization is complete. One more tip. If you are unsure about the wires, you can first generate a default panel with the tool. Make a copy. Make sure the parameters there, and then manually redraw them in your final design. That way, your dimension will be accurate. Alright, that's the fourth demonstration of manual panelization and stamp hole design. Thanks for watching.